Register now for our free webinar. For artificial intelligence is at the dawn of a new era in the digital age. Are you under pressure by bosses, stakeholders, shareholders, or investors to get jobs done on time, within budget, and generate confidence, progress, and results? If so, then learn how to harness the power of AI so you can save time, money, and stress. Master powerful AI technology fast so that you can delegate and automate the jobs you hate, don't have time for, and don't want to do. If that sounds like you, then register for our free webinar now. Whether you want to automate key tasks, create content, increase the value you offer, or simply want to avoid becoming a dinosaur and victim of an extinction level event in your industry, then you need to evolve and get paid what you're really worth, mastering AI. You need to learn how to embrace AI and reclaim your life. You need to attend our free webinar now. We'll share real results and actual case study examples and a powerful, practical and proven process to embrace AI and conquer the digital age. We'll introduce you to our very own AI framework and help you to achieve your goals. Just register your details on the link on this page and you'll be registered instantly. We only have a very limited number of seats for our free webinar, and these events do fill up fast. So please register now and you'll receive a free copy of our book, The Art of Becoming a Happiner, just for attending. What are you waiting for? Take action and register for our free webinar now.